Welcome, I'm following with a HUAWEI P Smart Pro, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Storage, which is actually visible right here. Tap on it, and at the top you'll have two different storages, so you have the internal and SD card. Tap on the SD card, and at the bottom you'll find Format. Tap on that. It will give you a message that, well, performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's anything that you want to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin. But assuming you don't, all you need to do is then erase card, and the process will begin. It's a fairly brief one, it just takes several seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used again. So right about now, there we go. Tap on OK, and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.